Today I'm sharing an article with you from Real Simple, how to use coconut oil on your skin and why you should. This is for ladies with dry and eczema skin specifically, such as myself, so let's dive into it. You're going to learn from experts over at Real Simple what they have to say about using coconut oil, some stories from my own personal journey with dry eczema skin, and plus if you're over 40 and you've tried all kinds of different products and haven't seen results, this could be what your skin is looking for. And here's what the experts had to say. It's best to purchase cold-pressed virgin or extra virgin coconut oil, advises board-certified dermatologist J. Rodney. These pure forms contain more nutrients than versions that have been processed. It may be a bit pricier, but the good news is that the high MCT content of the oil means that it's more resistant to oxidation. Another cool thing with the organic cold-pressed virgin coconut oil, it hasn't been stripped of the vitamins and the nutrients that can help nourish and repair your skin. So that is a big thing to look out for. Smooths and softens the skin. Like most oils, coconut oil is a great emollient. That means it helps to add moisture to smooth and soften the skin. You can thank the myristic and palmitic acids for that, which is the saturated fatty acids. Virgin coconut oil is also rich in polyphenols, which gives it its protective antioxidant properties. This is another way that coconut oil helps reduce skin inflammation. So personally, when it comes to skin inflammation, I have dealt with eczema skin my whole life on the backs of my hands. I have dry skin everywhere else. Coconut oil for my skin has been an absolute game changer. You're going to have to try and see what your skin likes. There is no one product solution fit all for everybody under the planet. It's just not possible. All our skin is unique. So definitely, if you've been curious about it or you've been wanting to try it, and maybe you've tried it on your body, but you've been a little hesitant to try it on your face, try a little test spot and see how it does, how your skin reacts to it. Yes, your skin may respond positively to it. Prevents acne in some people. So there is a caveat to this, of course. One of the experts says they disagree, saying that prevents acne in some people. So this was a split between the experts. And again, this is going to come back to your personal skin preference, how your skin responds. It does say, due to its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, coconut oil can aid in treating acne. Lauric acid specifically has been shown to kill acne-causing bacteria. I did a video where VOGUE even said it's actually really good for your skin, you should use it. And in some cases, it could be better for your skin than benzoyl peroxide. You can go check it out here. Full transparency, the experts were split on the benefits of coconut oil for acne. Some dermatologists say it's a great option for those with dry and eczema skin. One of the experts says Costaline disagrees, saying that coconut oil's reputation as a pore clogger isn't warranted. Various other factors, hormonal changes, diet, stress, other skincare, all play a role in clogged pores and not just the ingredient in question, Costaline explains, which I agree with 1,000,000,000%. I always talk to people when I go to pop-ups and things. I love going to those. I can talk to you one-on-one. Diet makes a huge difference. I have noticed that personally also. Just eliminating processed sugars and just sticking with natural sugars has made a huge difference when it comes to like hormonal acne. And then being careful of what other layers or skincare products that you're layering on top of your coconut oil products. If you're using a natural product and then you use something synthetic, your skin absolutely knows the difference between the two, and it's gonna most likely not respond in a positive way because your skin's like, what is this synthetic thing? I don't know what to do with it, and it wants to purge it out, and so it causes breakouts. So that's when you have issues. I have found that layering other coconut oil, mango butter, castor oil, I think generally speaking, you're gonna have to try it again for yourself. But if you stick to natural other oils, skin-loving oils, you should be fine layering on more oils if your skin needs it. Makeup remover. So if you haven't tried to use coconut oil as a makeup remover, highly suggest it, especially if you're like me and you love wearing waterproof mascara. It takes it right off, so that way you don't have to buy a separate face wash or face cleanser or makeup remover, all of those. I use that polish to take off my makeup and to take off my waterproof mascara. I just use my hands and water and the polish, and that's it. I don't have to use wipes anymore. I don't use cotton pads anymore. So if that's your thing, then that's totally fine. You can do it that way too. But I just personally just like being able to just massage my face with using my fingers. Another cool thing with coconut oil is it can help with your cuticles, another skin area that tends to split and crack, and it's painful when that happens. Coconut oil can help repair and nourish your skin there also. Coconut oil for lip balm. For dry lips, coconut oil works great as a natural lip balm, but plus since it's edible, you don't have to worry if you accidentally lick your lips. Apply it periodically throughout the day and especially at night to combat chapped lips with a clean finger. Yes, it is amazing for moisturizer, especially on the lips, but I will say if you can at all help it, do not lick your lips ever because the saliva will dry out the skin on your lips and make your lips more cracked and dry than it was before. And if you're like, okay, I've tried coconut oil, it wasn't enough, I need something extra, using something like the polish can help alleviate that because again, it's got sugar in it and it's just lifting that dull, dry skin and helping that coconut oil to really absorb into the skin more deeply than just on its own. I hope this better helped you understand why coconut oil could definitely deserve a spot in your skincare routine and how it can help your skin to repair and nourish itself, especially if you're using it as part of your daily routine, which is key to helping your skin to repair and nourish and maintain a healthy, nourished glow. Check out this video next where I deep dive what Birdie had to say about coconut oil for your skin barrier and why it's a must use.